Hello, my friends. Isn't it amazing how technology keeps advancing? Today we're talking about smartphones. These incredible devices can seem daunting, but trust me, they're not. Let's unlock the world of smartphones together. You're never too old to learn something new. Taking that first step is always the hardest. With a little patience and this guide, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. And in this case, that step is turning on your smartphone. Let's get started and open up a world of possibilities. First things first, let's turn on your phone. This is the very first step in unlocking a world of possibilities. Your smartphone is a powerful tool that can help you stay connected with loved ones, access information, and even entertain yourself. So, let's get started by powering it up. It's as easy as pressing the power button, usually located on the side or top of the device. This button is your gateway to turning on the device and starting your journey. Once you press it, you'll see the screen light up, indicating that the phone is coming to life. See that bright screen? That's your gateway to a world of connection. From here, you can make phone calls, send messages, browse the internet, and so much more. The possibilities are endless, and it all starts with that simple press of a button. Now let's get familiar with the touch screen. Think of it as a magical window. This screen responds to your touch, allowing you to interact with your phone in a very intuitive way. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if it feels a bit strange at first. You can tap, swipe, and pinch the screen to navigate through different options. Tapping is like clicking a mouse button on a computer. Swiping lets you scroll through pages or lists, and pinching allows you to zoom in and out. These gestures will become second nature with a bit of practice. It's like learning a new dance, but for your fingers. Each gesture has its own purpose and function, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be navigating your phone with ease. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what each gesture does. Don't be afraid to explore. Tap on different icons to see what they do. Each icon represents a different app or function, and exploring them is the best way to learn. Whether it's checking the weather, reading the news, or playing a game, there's so much to discover. You can always go back to the home screen by pressing the home button, usually a circular button below the screen. This button is your anchor, bringing you back to the main screen no matter where you are in the phone. It's a handy feature that ensures you never get lost. Practice makes perfect. The more you use your smartphone, the easier it becomes. You've got this. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With a little patience and practice, you'll be navigating your smartphone like a pro in no time. Enjoy the journey and have fun exploring all the amazing things your phone can do. Now let's learn how to make calls. It's just like using a regular phone, but better. Tap on the phone icon and you'll see a keypad. Dial the number you want to call and then press the green call button. Hear that ringing? You're now connecting with your loved one. Smartphones have amazing sound quality, so you can hear every laugh and every word crystal clear. But wait, there's more. You can also video call your loved ones using apps like FaceTime or WhatsApp. It's like having a face-to-face conversation, no matter the distance. Imagine seeing your grandchildren's smiling faces, even if they live miles away. That's the power of smartphones. Sending text messages is another wonderful way to stay connected. It's like sending a little note, but instantly. Tap on the messaging app, usually a green icon with a chat bubble. Now type in your message. You can even add emojis to express your emotions. Once you're done, press send and your message will be delivered in the blink of an eye. Texting is perfect for quick check-ins, sharing photos, or just saying I love you. It's a simple way to stay in touch with family and friends, no matter how far apart you are. Section 5. Capturing memories, photos at your fingertips. In today's digital age, capturing memories has never been easier or more accessible. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can immortalize moments that matter most to you. Smartphones have amazing cameras, making it easier than ever to capture life's precious moments. Whether it's a breathtaking sunset, a family gathering, or a candid moment with friends, your smartphone is always ready to snap the perfect shot. Simply tap on the camera icon and voila, you're ready to start snapping. The intuitive design of smartphone cameras means that anyone, regardless of their tech savviness, can easily take beautiful photos. Frame your shot and press the white circle or volume button to take a picture. The built-in stabilization features help ensure that your photos come out clear and sharp, even if your hands are a bit shaky. You can even switch to the front-facing camera to take selfies with loved ones. Capture those spontaneous moments of joy and laughter and keep them forever. Once you've taken a picture, you can view it in your gallery. The Gallery app organizes your photos, making it easy to find and relive your favorite memories. You can even edit your photos, adding filters or cropping them to perfection. With a variety of editing tools at your fingertips, you can enhance your photos to make them look even more stunning. Sharing your photos is easy too. With just a few taps, you can share your cherished moments with friends and family. You can send them through text messages, emails, or even post them on social media to share with the world. No matter where your loved ones are, they can be a part of your special moments. Section 6. Exploring the World Wide Web. Now let's talk about the Internet. The Internet is a vast network that connects millions of computers around the world, allowing them to communicate and share information. It's an incredible resource that has transformed the way we live, work and play. Your smartphone is a portal to a vast world of information, entertainment and connection. With just a few taps, you can access a wealth of knowledge, stay in touch with loved ones and discover new hobbies and interests. It's like having a library, a shopping mall and a social club all in your pocket. Imagine being able to read any book, buy any product or chat with friends from anywhere in the world, all from the comfort of your home. To access the Internet, simply tap on the Internet browser icon, usually a blue or red circle with a white E or a compass. This will open up a window to the web, where you can explore countless websites and online services. From there you can type in any website address or search for anything your heart desires. Whether you're looking for the latest news, a recipe for dinner, or information on a new hobby, the Internet has it all. Want to read the news? The Internet offers access to newspapers and magazines from around the world, so you can stay informed about current events and trends. Catch up on your favorite shows? Streaming services allow you to watch movies and TV shows on demand, so you never have to miss an episode. Order groceries online? Many stores offer online shopping and delivery, making it easy to get what you need without leaving home. You can do it all and more with the Internet at your fingertips. The possibilities are endless, and the convenience is unmatched. It's a powerful tool that can enrich your life in countless ways. Embrace the digital age and explore the World Wide Web to discover new opportunities, stay connected and make everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Section 7. Smartphones. Designed with you in mind. Did you know that smartphones have special features designed to make them easier to use, especially for seniors? It's true. You can adjust the font size to make it easier to read, increase the volume for clearer sound, and even activate voice control to operate your phone with just your voice. Many smartphones also offer accessibility features like screen readers, which read aloud the text on your screen, and haptic feedback, which provides vibrations to confirm your touches. These features are designed to make technology accessible to everyone, regardless of age or ability. Section 8. Helping seniors embrace the digital age. At Seniors Life Hacks, we believe that everyone deserves to experience the joy of connection that technology brings. That's why we're dedicated to helping seniors like you embrace the digital age with confidence. But we can't do it alone. Many low-income seniors face barriers to accessing technology, from the cost of devices to the lack of digital literacy support. That's why we're asking for your support. Your generous donations can help us provide smartphones, data plans and digital literacy training to seniors in need. Together, we can bridge the digital divide and empower seniors to live more connected and fulfilling lives. Section 9. Your journey to connection awaits. Congratulations, my friend. You've taken the first steps on your journey to mastering your smartphone. Remember, it's okay to go at your own pace. Every tap, every swipe, every call is a victory. Embrace the world of connection that awaits you. Stay in touch with loved ones, capture precious memories, and explore the vast online world. The possibilities are limitless. And if you're ever feeling stuck, remember that Seniors Life Hacks is here to help. We're a community dedicated to supporting seniors in their digital journeys. Welcome to the world of smartphones.